What's up, guys, and happy Sunday. Is it time to buy Tesla? Look at where we're at. All this rejection, we popped up and then we failed, guys. So is it time to buy Tesla? Heck no. Just check out what the analysts have done, guys. They've taken it to a neutral, okay? Analyst rating says neutral. The technical say neutral. And if you go back and look at their performance, I don't think I've ever seen Tesla have so much red. So is Tesla long right now? Not in my book, guys. I would not touch it. I will day trade the heck out of it. And let me show you what it's got going on. So we had rejection, okay? We had support here, all these candles here, okay? And then it tried to hold it. It fell. They pumped it back up, okay? And then the big drop came and everybody dropped around this area, okay? So not only did Tesla lose support, okay, this beautiful yellow line, it went right through the gap and then it went right through the next support and fell right into the next gap. So what does that mean now? Well, let me show you something that is very simple. Okay, you go grab your Fibonacci tool, take it from the top to the bottom. Okay, and you can see Tesla did not even make it to the golden zone, guys. Okay, it rejected way before, which tells me it's super bearish. Okay, they are selling this thing off. Of course, everybody took their profits, and whoever figured it out took their profits too. But we are under the 200 EMA, guys, on the 2-hour chart. And on the 4-hour, we bounced off the 200. So it looked a little bit like we were going to take off and fill this gap, but not right now, guys. Let's check out that RSI, and you can see the RSI is trying, okay? It's trying to get up, but it's not making it. I have a sell signal on my indicator. And if I go down on the 30-minute and I look for a nice reversal, okay, this is way too close for me. Okay, I'm going to stretch this out a little bit so you can see it's a little too close for me. I would not jump into a bullish day trade. I might short it, okay, but of course I would be careful because Tesla does like to pump up. And if you go take a look at the 15-minute and let's ask, where did Tesla leave off? Okay, it is even Steven. Okay, so let's go to the regular trading hours, and where did it finish on Friday? That's right. Okay, what happens here, and be careful with Tesla. Okay, if you want to day trade it, I'm with you. Okay, these little hills, okay, look like something we call a head and shoulders, guys. Okay, so Tesla could see a nice run down. Based off of this here, I would say, wow, we're looking at another $10 drop, guys. Okay, I was charting it earlier and I was looking at around 208, okay, area. 205 looks like might be it as well. And there you go. I just decided, let me just do this the correct way so you guys get a great picture of what Tesla is doing. Now remember, okay, it hasn't finished the right shoulder, guys. So we need this, okay, to cross this neckline right here. If it crosses the neckline, definitely we will see 205. When the market opens up at 4 a.m., I would not be surprised if they've already started to dump it, okay? Small chance Tesla can go the other way, okay? But for right now, I am looking at this 205 as the next stop for Tesla. Now, again, you guys asked me, would I buy Tesla? Negative. I will not buy it right now, but I would short it. I'll day trade it. Okay. Now, these clouds will help me with the entries, especially on the 15-minute. I'm going to focus on these labels, guys. And when we get under the 2 red labels, you will see that I will open up a short position on Tesla. Okay. If the market starts around this area, okay, and makes its way down, absolutely, I'm jumping in here on a put, guys. Okay. Hope this helps. See you on the next video.